Riri thogora wa hinya wa thitima uthiite na mbere kwambatira. Gikundi gia Safaricom Foundation nikiruguritie tafarira iria guteithiriria thukuru na ceceni ingi iria iramatagwo rungu rwa gikundi giki kunyihia mahuthiro ma mbeca iria ihuthikaga kurihira thitima na ciringi mirioni magana meri.
Thaici ni murakimenya thitima ndiragurika na riu kwina mundu ena project teno ni akuhota kunyihia matumiri make ma thitima ta M-pesa Foundation ni marahota riu kunyihia na 40%.
Kuringana na murugamiriri wa M-pesa Foundation Academy, ceceni njeru ya guthondeka hinya wa thitima kuhitukira miruri ya riua iria iraruguririo mwena wa THIKA ni iriteithagiriria gutwarithia na mbere mihango ya o muthenya hatari gatithio ona riria thitima ciora.
Solar panels have been around for many years, but what the project team have actually done is taken modern technology, put it here in place, and we're very fortunate to be able to take that, and it's already making a difference to our overall financial sustainability, definitely.
We have just done phase 1. Our goal is to at least have over 60% of our energy consumption being through clean energy from solar, and being able to sell back to the grid. And our next step actually is to have the school age certified, and also to have we starting ESG reporting.
Kuma riria sola ishi magana matandatu ma 30 ciagathikirwo gikundi giki kihotete kuhonokia ciringi mirioni 2.5.
It's enough to power 150 ohms or thereabout. So that's a little about the project, and I was saying very early on that we will have saved more than 5,000 metric tons of carbon dioxide, which is an important thing for many people that are tracking climate action.
Thirikari ni yuritio kuhura njeki ene kambuni iria cire na tafarira cia utambia wa sola niguo gukinyaniria kioneki gia bururi kia mwaka wa 2030.
Na ni wakiona project teno igwikwo ti project ya miaka 3 ni project igwikara 20 years 25 years. Kogwo ni kuga mekere atatu ya mbere ya thira ni gukorwo na another over 20 years ya kuenjoy kindu gikuhana ta free power.
Aruto thukuru-ini wa M-pesa Foundation Academy maugite riu mari na kanya ga kwandandura utaramu wao ukonie hinya wa miruri ya riua na itemi ria tafarira ta ino hari kugitira uthukia wa riera.
Since this is a technological school, we use a lot of technology and a lot of energy. It really helps us in making sure there is efficiency.
Hadwini ha Kameme TV, Jitagwo Ngena wa Wadurwa.